Hey everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. It has been a hot minute since we've done some shopping at Walgreens, so we're gonna head in there and grab some pretty awesome deals.
With me!
Let's go. So the first deal we have here is the Dove Body Wash. These are regularly priced at $9.99, but they're just $7 this week on sale. We're gonna grab 2 of them. That's $14 total. We have an 8 off 2 digital coupon, so we'll pay $6 out of pocket and get a $3 register reward, making them just $3 each, or $3 total, $1.50 each.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit and blueberry.
I only had dragon fruit once in my life.
So for this next deal, you can choose to either grab the Colgate for $4, regularly priced at $4.99, or you can grab the Colgate Optic White mouthwash here, regularly priced $5.99, also on sale for $4.99. All right, so the deal with the mouthwash is $4 each on sale, so $8 total. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're gonna pay $5 out of pocket and get a $4 register reward, making the final cost only $1 or 50 cents each. And I'm opting to do the mouthwash because I don't like to pay for toothpaste, and I think this is a better deal. So the next deal we have here is with the Crest toothpaste. You can grab either 3 of these scope ones at regularly priced $4.99, but on sale for $3.50. There's another one, but obviously my store is out. Or you can choose to grab the Oral-B toothbrushes. So these are regularly priced at $4.79, and they're on sale for $3.50 as well. This is what I'm gonna grab because I'm completely out of toothbrushes. All right, so these Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for $3.50, which is $10.50 total when we grab 3 of them. There is a 5 off 3 digital coupon we're gonna use. Out of pocket, we're gonna pay $5.50 and get a $5 register reward for them, making the final cost 50 cents for all 3. What do you think, Carmen?
So good. So good. So good.
So the final deal I want to do today is going to be on these General Mills cereals. So you can grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced at $5.99, but they're on sale this week at just $1.88. Now we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that we're going to pair with this, and so we're going to pay $3.76 out of pocket. Now, if you want certain cereals, like I have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch or the Lucky Charms cereal, there's 50 cents back from Ibotta, but I actually have 75 cents back from Ibotta on the Cheerios, so we're going to grab 2 of those. All right, if you grab some of the cereals with the 50 cents back, it's gonna be $1.76 total, or 88 cents each. But if not, if you're gonna grab the ones, if you happen to have the 75 cents back from Ibotta, it's gonna make it 76 cents total for 2 cereals, which is awesome. What do you think?
My mother.
All right, we got everything here, and it looks like everything printed, so we're good to go. I also got to use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I didn't pay all that much for it. Let me show you everything. So as you can see here, we had everything. All the coupons came off. Subtotal was $19.26. I did use, $10 in Walgreens cash. After the tax, it was $21.21, so I paid $11.21 out of pocket. But I was able to get $4 for the Colgate, was able to get $3 for the Unilever, and $5 for the Crest Oral-B. So there we go.